Where do you think you're going?
Hector's heading out.
Dressed like that? You can borrow something of mine.
So I can look like some Aztec Chola?
Now you listen to me! I don't need no bed bug ass dykes in this house!
Little dyke causing trouble again.
Shut up, Johnny! I'm handling it!
Do what you want.
Oh, gee, thanks.
Don't even get me started, Hector. But don't forget to pack your strap on.
Get off me! I am tired of bailing you out! Goddamn Elvis impersonator!
Sit your ass down, Bobby. There's some real trash in this joint. Who asked you?
Hey, Hector. Didn't think I'd see you back here so soon.
You know me, Fred. Glutton.
So what are you having?
I have a hankering for something. Brown.
Don't we all?
Line him up and I'll knock him back. God, I thought you'd never come.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Easy, he's a nobody.
I haven't seen you in so long.
I missed you so much. It hurts.
No, but it could be really dangerous. This guys could really fuck you up.
Gloria. Gloria! Sit the fuck down.
What the fuck was that?
Nothing. I was
the
just
fuck was
dancing.
that?
Oh, I was
gonna
just
make a
trying to have a
fucking
good
fool out of me?
dancing. Relax.
Fucking kidding me?
Just calm down. I was just trying to.
Don't go over there.
Get the fuck off her.
And who are you, fucktard?
I'm her man.
You're her man. Listen. I don't have the will or the energy to get up and kick your Bambi ass right now. If you come in here and tell me what I can and cannot do in front of my girl, in front of my friends, and in my place, I'll cut your balls off. Comprende?
Why don't you let my baby decide what she wants to do?
Well, there's your answer, Dreamboat.
Fuck off me! Fuck her!
It's our Braveheart. Bless his little heart. Seven stars. What? You're missing out on one of the greatest pleasures in life. They're imported from Japan. Gozo amigo. That means please, bitch.
Stop fucking around. Stick him already, man. Stick him. Oh! Pretty much. Whoa! Why is he carrying what? Stick him. What?
Remember when I said I'd cut your balls off?
What the fuck? Fucking girl! What? Fucking girl's a bitch! Are you fucking kidding me?
First, I was gonna kill you. But now I'm gonna fuck you. And then kill you.
Fuck, Frank! Frank, what the fuck? Frank, what the fuck are you doing? Stop! Not what we're fucking doing right now, Frank! Not what we're doing right now!
Shit, Frank, holy shit!
Stop!
Frank, shut up!
What the fuck? What the fuck? Fuck it!